Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mathematics Problem Solved. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel for more free mathematics videos. So we have this question that involves both direct and inverse proportion. So the question says y varies directly as the square of x and inversely as z, and y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 4 and z is 24. Find the value of k, the constant of variation. So for us to find the value of k, first of all we need to write this statement here in a mathematical way. We need to come up with an equation. So first of all, we are going to rewrite this statement in a mathematical way. So we are saying y varies directly as the square of x. So this can be written as y. So on part A, we have this. Y varies. So this symbol here indicates the direct variation. So y varies directly as the square of x, so meaning x squared, and inversely as z, and inversely as z meaning you need to divide by z, like this. Okay, so when you look at your statement here, there is no k. So meaning you need to introduce the equal sign where there's the variation symbol, and immediately you introduce an equal sign here, you also introduce k. So you're going to say y is equal to, immediately you do this, then k x squared over z, like this. Okay, so they want you to find this the value of this k when y is 2. So meaning where there is y here, we are going to put 2 is equal to k is the one that we are looking for, then times x. X, they are saying x is what? Is 4. So you're going to put 4 there, and squared because x is squared, divided by z. Z is 24, so you're going to put 24 here. All right, so you're going to have 2 is equal to 4 squared is same as, 4 squared is 16. 16 times k is, you're going to have 16k divided by 24 divided by 24 divided by 24. So you can see that 8 can go into 16 without leaving a remainder, and 8 can also go into 24 without leaving any remainder. So you're going to have 2 is equal to 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 2 times k, you're going to have 2k divided by 24 divided by 8 is 3. So this part has been simplified to 2 over 3k. 2k over 3. So when you reach at this stage, you can actually cross multiply. So this number here can be written as a fraction like this, then cross multiply. 1 times 2k, you have 2k is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. You have this. Then remember, you only need a k, divide by 2 both sides to get the value of k. So 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 1 times k will be k is equal to 3. So this is the value of k, the variation constant, the constant of variation. The value of k is 3. The value of k is 3. Okay, let's see now. Next, at B, they want you to find the value of y when x is 9 and z is 27. So the equation that you are going to use to find the value of y is this one, the equation that you formed here. The equation that you formed here. So you are going to rewrite it. Y is equal to kx squared over z. Now they are saying you need to find the value of y when x is 9 and z is 27. So we're going to say y is equal to k. What is the value of k? The value of k, we found that k is 3, this one here. So where there's k, we are going to put 3. So 3 here where there's k, multiplied by x. They are saying x is 9. So we are going to put 9, and everything is being squared. I mean, x is being squared. Divided by z. They are saying z is 27. So we write 27 here, like this. Then you have y is equal to, you can see that 3 can go into 27 without leaving a remainder. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 27, you have 9. Okay? So here we are remaining with 9 squared, and 9 squared can be is same as 9 times 9, then over, we have this 9 on the denominator here, 9. Okay, so this 9 and this 9, or one of the 9s will cancel like that, then you remain with y is equal to 9. So this is the value of 9. Okay. This is a value of 9. Let's look at C. Let's look at C. C, they want you to find the values of x, not only one value, but values of x when y is 8 and z is 6. So again, we're going to use this equation that we formed here. This equation that we formed here is very important. So it's the one that we're going to use to find the values of x. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this equation as well. Y is equal to kx squared over z. So next we start replacing the values of y. So the value of y is 8. So where there is y, we're going to put 8 is equal to k. We found that k is 3. We found that k is 3 from here. K is 3. So meaning where there is k there, we're going to put 3. Then x squared, x is the one that we are looking for, so x squared. So 3 times x squared divided by z. They are saying z is 6. So you have 6 like that. Okay, you have 6 like that. Then you can see that 3 can go into 6 without leaving any remainder. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2. So you are having 8 is equal to 1 times x is just x. I mean, this is x squared. 1 times x squared is x squared over, this is 2. Okay? Then 8 can be written as a fraction like that. So cross multiply. 1 times x squared is x squared is equal to 2 times 8 is 16. So your aim is to find what the values of x. So now when you look at this is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equations have two solutions, 2 roots. So what are you going to do in order for you to find the value of x, the values of x? Take square roots on both sides so that the square root symbol and the power 2 goes. You are going to remain with x is equal to plus or minus, meaning we are going to have a positive square root and a negative square root. Then square root of 16 is 4. So you can now conclude and say, therefore, x is equal to negative 4, or x is equal to 4. So these are the values of x which they wanted. Remember to follow me on this channel for more mathematics lessons, more mathematics videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.